Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this EYOO portable and also rechargeable nebulizer. This is not just another normal standard nebulizer. No, this is something very unique, very special. As far as I've been able to do my research, this is the only real hands-free portable nebulizer, and so this is a real game changer compared to everything what we have seen till now. So it arrives fully sealed, and so let's open the box and see what we get. So here's everything what we get, and so you can see it's a very complete set, by the way. Here also again the technology specification, hope you can read that, but we get also this very detailed instruction manual which describes everything how to use it, but I'm going to show you most of it anyway. So here we have the hands-free mask, here we have the nebulizer itself, the mouthpiece if you don't need to breathe in by your nose, and here we have the children face mask. Of course this is only then working by hand, so you attach this here and you hold this and use it for your children. Or we have the adult mask which we can also use in a handheld mode, but when you want to use the hands-free mode, then we have to use this mask. We squeeze it a little bit together and then we push this thing here in between these brackets and release it. By the way, to fill we have two different modes. We can open this flap here, then we have the large opening, but we have also a small opening here. The idea of the small opening is that when we have it attached here to the hand-free masks, we can't use the large lid here, it's not possible to open, but we can still use the small lid like with a dropper or syringe or whatsoever. And then of course at the beginning we give it a full charge. While it's charging it's blinking red. When we have a full charge it goes into steady red. For cleaning we can also remove this medical chamber. We just push this or pull this down and then pull it to the left side, and this part can be fully submerged. Of course it's highly recommended not to touch this very sensitive area here inside, not with anything, but we can fully submerge it, rinse it with warm water or so. This is the only part here which we cannot submerge because there are electronic parts here. So to start, of course, we just push it here inside, and now it's time to fill it up with our medication. In this case I'm using the Terra Silver, which is my preferred solution for inhaling. It has helped me a lot in the past. What we can see here inside that it has a nice seal, so when we close it it's absolutely watertight, so there's nothing which can happen here. It has no leak, no nothing, which is very important. And then we attach it to the mouthpiece or mask of choice, but of course you can also use it like that, just holding it in front of your mouth or so, which I'm doing sometimes when I just want to use it for a couple of seconds. We just push very short, it goes into green and we can see the nice fog streaming out very steadily. One charge, by the way, will last for a full hour, so if you want to do just sessions of about 5 minutes you can use it for 12 times. This is absolutely awesome. By the way, to stop it we just also push short, and this nebulizer has even a built-in cleaning function. So after cleaning all the medication out of this container here and adding some clear water, you can hold for 5 seconds and then it goes into cleaning mode. It does just some pushes, it doesn't do this continuous mode, and to finish the cleaning you just push again and then it's done. What I absolutely love here is the relation of the size of the container of the medication compared to the size of the nebulizer. Usually we have very large nebulizer and very small medical compartment, and here we have almost the same size of the medical compartment compared to the nebulizer. I've never seen such a great combination. We can use it with all kind of masks, even these hand-free things, and it's definitely not heavy because this thing is so small. So when we have it here and put it around our head, there's definitely not much weight. You can see how lightweight this is, and so it's absolutely no problem to wear it for 5 or 10 minutes or even longer. And here you can see that I'm wearing it and it's fully working. I can still breathe, I can still talk. This is as good as it gets. I think a lot of people are not using such convenient device because till now it has always been taking away a lot of time, because you had to hold it in front of your mouse, either with the face mask or the mouthpiece or whatsoever, but you had to hold it the whole time. You lost a lot of time, and so it was not very convenient. But here in this awesome combination with this very small device and this hands-free mask, you can use it even while you are doing some work on your computer or reading something, listening to music or whatsoever. This is absolutely amazing, and so I can give you full recommendation. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.